My name is Olusegun Ogunye, and I'll be talking about vertical integration for GeoVax Lab. And we can see that the aim of this vertical integration is to achieve economics of efficiency and to also gain control. And that's the reason why we consider this vertical integration for GeoVax Lab Inc. We can see that the this can lead to cost savings, improve coordinations, and better quality control for GeoVax Lab Inc. Also, we can see the overview of this lab as is a biotechnology company specializing in development of vaccines for infectious disease. The company core competence lies in research and development and may not have expertise or resources to efficiently manage manufacturing, distribution, and other aspects of this supply chain. And that's why we can see GeoVax, they have a strong track record in vaccines and also in research and development. For instance, the times of Ebola, they play a major role in there, and also the time of COVID. You can see GeoVax coming up to develop vaccines that will help humanity. So these companies, they keep on specializing on vaccines for the infectious disease, and going to vertical integration may benefit them by managing their supply chains and taking control of some of these things in the market. Looking at the mission and vision of GeoVax Lab, we can see that their mission, according to what you can see on the website, is to develop innovative vaccines that address critical global health challenges that we can see, like I made mention of initially in the case of Ebola. And also their vision is to be a leading player in the field of vaccines development and also to make a significant impact on public health. So look at the current position in the market. You can see GeoVax has established itself as an institutions, and which basically into research and also collaborate with government agencies. Also, the company has a diverse vaccines pipeline, and those vaccines target diseases like HIV, Zika, Ebola, and COVID. So they are doing pretty well in the market. Also, we can see here that the definition of this vertical integration is to, like I said, to get operational and control over the market and to have position in the market. So vertical integration involves expanding the business control over various stages of the supply chains. Now, talking from research and development and manufacturing and distribution. Sometimes they might collaborate with other companies or maybe buy small businesses in this kind of integration process and all that. Sometimes they have to come and do the analysis and do the feasibility study to see their position in the market, whether it is viable or not, because there are also risk associated with this vertical integration. Talking about types of vertical integration that we mentioned, we have the backward one, we also have the forward integration. So when talking about backward integration, we're talking about with GeoVax now, we're talking about they could consider acquiring or controlling the source when they go to the source of the raw materials or research capability. That means the raw materials used for all these vaccines, they want to make sure they get controls only on the research. Then also talking about forward integrations, GeoVax could explore growing distribution channel. So it may also be maybe distribution channel where you get to the end user, or entering into a partnership, like I mentioned before, for commercialization. So it could be backward, going back, to the source, or forward, going to the distribution channel supply chain. So, what are the benefits of vertical integration for GeoVax? Number one, cost savings. Through vertical integrations, GeoVax can streamline operations. Okay, they can also reduce costs in the process and also improve efficiency. Number two, we can see quality control, ensuring consistent quality of vaccines development and production. Because right now, they might be, if they are into the distribution, into the forward, they manage the supply chain, or if they are backward one, they also manage the raw material. So there will be efficiency, there will be a reduced cost, and the operation will be streamlined. Then also we can see innovation, enhancing collaborations and innovation across different stages of the vaccine development process is a win-win for GeoVax Lab Inc. So we can also go into rationale for implementing vertical integration at GeoVax Lab Inc. Strategic alignments, aligning internal capability with their long-term goals and market opportunities, which the market provides eventually. We can also say make them competitive. That competitive advantage, enhancing competitiveness by controlling critical aspects of the vaccine's development process. So potential risks, like I said, and challenges. We have risks associated with this. So financial investment, initial costs associated with vertical integration so enormous, so they need to prepare for that. Then operational challenges, managing complexities across different stages of the supply chains might be overwhelming. So it's also there. What about cultural integration? Ensuring alignment between organizational cautious post-integration. The places they are also taking this vaccine through, they have to look at too. Then we look at lessons learned and takeaway for GeoVax Lab Inc. We can see importance of strategic alignment, ensuring vertical integrations align with GeoVax long-term goals and market positioning. Thorough due diligence. They have to conduct comprehensive analysis and risk assessment before pursuing vertical integration, like I said, because it has associated risk. Then focus on integration. So planning, develop a clear roadmap for integrating, acquire capabilities. Let's see whether they have the capacity to take all the resources and go into this kind of operation. In conclusion, you can see vertical integrations offers GeoVax the opportunity to enhance control, reduce costs, and drive innovations in vaccine development. Then lastly, we can see by carefully planning and executing a vertical integration strategy, GeoVax can strengthen its position in the market and achieve sustainable growth. We can see references and all that. So by this we come to the conclusion of this presentation. My name is Olusegun Ogunye. Thank you.